So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of a brother printer. In this case, it uses LC101 and 103 cartridges. So all you need to do is just open this. For example, I'm going to replace magenta, cyan, and yellow. So I remove this, remove this, remove this. And here are the cartridges which I have recently filled. As you can see, they are full of ink. So just push it in all the way and it will come up. There is a blue, cyan, and magenta. And it is done. So simple. And you can see here also it is showing ink levels as full for all colors. That's it. It's easy. Thanks for watching.